If no concrete slab or other flat surface is available, use the timber base frame as shown. If installing on an uneven or unlevel surface, please use the optional feet. Insert the feet through the holes in the bottom corners of the box to raise the box and adjust the nuts below and above the corner brackets to suit. Locate the slots at the bottom of the side and rear panels and place onto the teeth of the corner brackets. Secure the panels together using the plastic cap. Insert the other side panel and cap. Place bottom bracket adjacent to corner brackets. Slide in front panels and secure to bottom bar using Tek screws. Now insert the plastic caps, joining the front panels to the side panels, and tap in the plastic screws. Insert the corner gusset into the rear panel first, then into the side panel and push down. Repeat for the front panel and side panel. Insert top bar into slots in front, left and right panels. Secure with Tek screws. Insert the handles into the door until a click is heard. Place the lip of the door over the bottom bar. Align the studs in the door with the slots in the front panels, insert and push down. Place the lid on top of the box and ensure the box is square. Align the hinge pins with the holes and tap into place with a mallet. Attach the latch to the door using the supplied screw, washer and nut as shown. Rotate the latch clockwise to lock the lid and door in place. Push the base pins into the holes at the bottom edge of the panels and through the corner brackets. Anchor box to the timber base frame as shown, or to a concrete slab or other flat surface. Do this for all 4 corners.